get ready, because today we're going to say goodbye to bingoing. So today's move is called the Half Cobra Push Up. We're going to definitely get into those triceps and we're going to work them, and they're going to burn, but it's going to be the good kind of burn. We're also going to get a little bit into the back, but it's really mainly a tricep move. So the first thing you're going to do is lay on your belly like I am. Now, once you're here and comfortable, you're going to slide those hands to your armpits and look forward. Now, the position of your neck is really important here. You don't want it to be down like this. You don't want it to be all the way up. You want to really just open up that heart. If you take yoga, you know what that means. It just really means to lift through the chest. Put your hands down. Then we're going to come up and come to that half cobra right here. We're not going to go full cobra because that's too much and you're not going to get those triceps. We're just going to be right down here. So let's get started with one. The other important thing I should say is to make sure that the weight is not in your legs. It's really right here. So you can pick up your toes if you want to. So let's realign ourselves. Make sure that our neck is nice and supported. Our hands are down right by our armpits. We're going to come down and up. Down, up. Really squeeze when you're at the top. Keep those elbows in line with your ribs. If you want to, you can imagine that you're trying to pin $100 in between your ribs and your elbows. You should already be feeling that burning in the triceps. Really push through the meaty part of your hands. And that means that you should be feeling this in your forefinger and in your thumb. You should be able to pick up those pinkies and wiggle them. Whew. Down, up, down, up. You might notice that your elbows are starting to get wide. And if that happens, just stop, take a break, maybe shake out your arms, bring them back in. Because if your elbows are wide, then you're not getting any of that tricep work. And this move counts for nothing. Whew. I'm gonna tell you, 100 of these are gonna be rough. Oh. Up, down, up, down. Whew. So like I said, make sure that you are checking for your alignment, and we're gonna get right back to it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Whew. Ooh. I cannot believe that we are a third of this way through the challenge. It feels like this month is flying by. I have been so happy to get with you guys every morning. I think it's also making me a morning person, because I'm one of those people that if I can, I'll stay in bed until 11. Whew. Whew, that's burning. But this is making me get up early, and I'm really starting to like it. I have so much more time in my day. I'm not feeling as rushed. Whew. Keep those elbows pinned back. And if you need to, you can also just make a small movement and just really work on those triceps and not get into the back. That is totally up to you. That this is your challenge, so you want to get the most out of it that you do. Whew. These don't look like a whole lot, but when you're doing them with proper form, they are killer. Whew. Feel like I'm almost halfway there. Okay, we're gonna shake out those arms. If you need to, just bring them to the front. Lay down. You can also get to your shoulders. Sorry about muffling that, guys. Hands are and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Whew. Let it burn. Learn to love it. You really just gotta put your mind to it, because the burn is gonna go away. You really can make make your body do whatever you set your mind to. You just got to convince your mind that it's worth it. And I want nice, strong arms. Because if you guys remember, I like to bring all of my groceries in one trip. So I got to make sure my arms are toned so I can. Whew. Also, it's going to help me get to my goal of a pull-up. I really want to get there by the end of summer. I feel like I'm almost there. Whew. And when I do, I finally will be able to show that to you guys, and I will feel so accomplished, because that's been something I've been working on all summer. Whew. You can also, if you need to, take your break right here, shake it out. Like I said, those are really tiny muscles, and we're asking a lot of them with 100 reps. I got 5 left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Now, lay down. Thank your lucky stars you made it through it, and we don't have to do those again for the rest of the month. Woo! Those are killing my arms. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see that happen. Leave a comment if you like these and if you made it through. Hopefully you feel the burn. See you guys later. Bye.